Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Alright, today we're working on a Kenmore dishwasher, and the complaint is it's leaking water during the cycle from the right side. So out of this corner of the door, we're getting some water that drips and makes a puddle here on the floor. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open the door, take a look at our door seal first thing. There are no tools required for this repair. Alright, so you can see the door seal here. It does have some calcium and soap deposits built up on it, and then if we take a look over here, you can see that it actually has quite a few little tears in it. This one here being pretty good, so definitely get some water leaking out of that there, and it's also on the right side where the water is dripping from, so it does make sense. So for this repair, we're going to be replacing our door seal. Alright, so we're just going to remove the old door seal, and it's just pressed in place, no tools required. We're just going to start at the bottom right side here and pull it straight out of the groove. We're going to take note at which way the door seal is installed here, so we can install our new one the correct way. Alright, we're just going to take a towel and go around and remove any dirt or deposits that might be in the track here. Alright, so we got the new door seal here, and we're just going to kind of find the halfway point. So we got two equal sides here, and we'll take that and place it in the center of the frame there, and then we'll go ahead and work the left side down. Now we're just going to make sure it's pressed in all the way around, and then at the bottom we have two equal pieces. Shut the door and do a test here. You may notice that the door seems harder to close with the new door seal. That's going to be normal until that new door seal gets broken in. This one's closing nicely, so we'll go ahead and start up a cycle here, run it through a test and make sure it's not leaking. Okay, our dishwasher's been running for a good 15-20 minutes now. I see no water leaks coming out of it, so this is going to complete our repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.